Welcome back, dancehall family. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about relationships in dancehall history, Popcaan and Vybz Kartel. Once seen as mentor and protege, their journey has been full of loyalty, controversy and unexpected reunions. Let's break it all down. Do you know about the Gaza Empire, Vybz? Kartel founded the Gaza Empire, a musical movement that gave rise to several successful artists, including Sean Storm, Popcaan, Spice, Tommy Lee Sparta, Gaza Indu, Block, Rihanna, Sheba, Gaz Kim, Lisa Hype, Dota Copper, Jar Vinci, Doza Medicine, and many others. Sean Storm, Popcaan, Spice, Tommy Lee Sparta, Gaza, Indu Block, Rihanna, Sheba, Gaz Kim, Lisa Hype, Dota Copper, Jar Vinci, Doza Medicine, and many others. Popcaan and Vybz Kartel started off as a powerful duo. Kartel didn't just welcome Popcaan into the Gaza family, he called him the next Vybz Kartel. Why? Because of Popcaan's unmatched work ethic, humility and charisma. Fans saw the bond. It was real. But in 2011 things changed. Kartel was incarcerated. After some time of Kartel's incarceration, Popcaan reportedly didn't visit him in prison. Popcaan went ahead and signed a new label without Vybz Kartel's consent or approval. These issues sparked a rift that fans couldn't ignore. Rumors flew, allegations and tensions grew, and many questioned if the Gaza alliance was truly over. Let's not forget, rumors once claimed Kartel tried to assassinate Popcaan in 2020. Wild, right? But both artists denied it. Whatever the truth, one thing's clear, they put their differences aside, and the music speaks louder than the gossip. Still, Popcaan never disrespected the legacy. In 2021, he tweeted, "Vybz Kartel, you real G. Nuff tins, man, learn from you without you even saying a word. Yo, respect our forever respect." Despite the silence, the respect remained. When Vybz Kartel came out of prison in 2024, Popcaan gifted him a costly Rolex watch. Fast forward to their latest track, Dull Color. Their first collab in over a decade. This powerful song hits deep, addressing poverty and social injustice in Jamaica, a clear sign that music still unites them. So, what do you think? Has the bond been fully restored, or is this just business as usual in the dancehall scene? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more dancehall deep dives and exclusive artist breakdowns. Watch next! Top 10 dancehall collabs that shook the industry. Subscribe, like, and share.
Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news.